Hello my dear children, how are you? Hope everyone is doing fine and are safe at home. Okay, so yesterday I have uploaded a video. In that we have just discussed about the introduction for area and perimeter. Is it? What is area, what is perimeter, those equations, everything we have discussed in that. Today we are going to start with perimeter and area of compound shapes. Okay, perimeter and area of compound shapes. What do you mean by compound shapes? Compound shapes means it is the combination of different shapes. Okay, in this itself, see here whether this shape, what is the shape of this figure? Is it a rectangle or a square? It is not a rectangle or not a square or not a triangle. It is an L shape, is it? So figure of like this, or figures which are having different shapes other than square, other than the regular shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, like the etc., are called compound shapes, or we can say it is the combination of different shapes. Here also see, if you want, if you cut like this, you can see one rectangle and one square here, or if you can cut like this, you can see two rectangles, is it? So different ways we can form the compound shapes. So in this case, we are going to find the perimeter of the compound shape. And you know what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means the length along the edges. Okay, not this blue inner portion. It is only the boundaries along the edges. Okay, so from any point you can start to find the perimeter. So I am starting from here. If you want, you can just name like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like corners. Last year actually we have studied like that. So it is up to you. If you want, you can name, or else you can just take any, you can consider any side and we can just write the measurements. Okay, so here I am starting from the top, that is 3 centimeter. I am coming in the clockwise direction. No rule like you should move like this. Anywhere you can start, but always try to keep an order, then you will not miss any sides. Okay, so I am writing starting from here 3 centimeter, then comes 8 centimeter, then comes 10 centimeter, then 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Finish, is it? We start from here and we just go along the edges or along the boundaries, along the sides, and we reach back here. Then after that you can just check whether your measurements or your answer is correct, whether you missed any sides. How many sides are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 sides, is it? So here also you check whether 6 measurements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 are there. That means you didn't miss any sides. All the sides are included. Then you just add it. Perimeter means just sum of this. That means we need to add it, is it? So just add all this. What is, so here also how you can do, easily you can do, just pair the numbers. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Is it? 32 plus 4, 36. So like that you can do it easily. And what is the unit given here? It is centimeter. So 36 centimeter. Okay, that is same like finding the perimeter, but here it's a compound shape, so we need to consider all the sides. That's all. This is how we will find the perimeter of a compound shape if the measurement of all the sides are given. If it is not given, we need to find the missing side first. Okay, so just have a look into the next figure. Okay, look, we can just have a look into the next shape. Yeah, again a compound shape is given here, same like one L shape. Not really L shape, any shape can come. Okay, combination of any shapes can be there, like square and rectangle, or triangle and circle, not circle, semicircle, like that. So many shapes will come. Okay, so here again you can see an L shape, but in this one, look here, I had done the answer also here. This side is given. What is the length of this side? It is 10 centimeter. And this up, it is 7 centimeter. Again, see, this one is not given. After that, I found out the answer for that. Oh, I calculated the answer for this side. Okay, this is not given now. Again, this one is given 11 centimeter. This one is given 4 centimeter. And again, this side is not given. Okay, so what is the first step? First step is we need to find the missing sides. Okay, So how we can find the missing side? See, from here till here it is given 10 centimeter. So we know from here till here, okay, will be 10 centimeter, is it? But out of this, from here till here it is given how much? It is 4 centimeter. So I am just writing from here till here it is 10 centimeter, and out of that 10 centimeter till here it is given 4 centimeter. So what will be this? This will be from the 10 I need to minus, is it? I need to minus this 4. So how much is that? It is 6 centimeter. Is it clear? This is how we will find the missing side. Some clues will be there. From that we need to find it out. Again, this one is not given. How we can find the length? We know from here till here means it is the sum of from here till here and here till here. Is it? So see, from here till here means we are breaking like this first. We know that it is a non-measurement. From here till here it is 7 centimeter, and from here till here how much is that? 11 centimeter. So what's the total? That is 7 plus 11. What is 7 plus 11? It is 18 centimeter. Is it? So what is that? 7 plus 11 is 18 centimeter. Now we can find the perimeter. Is it? Easily you can do. Why? Because all the measurements, all the sides are known to us. Nothing is unknown. So how we can do? It is 7 plus 6 plus again this one 11 plus 4 plus this total is 18 plus 10. Is it? So total how many sides? Recheck that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 6. Then you check whether we are done 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So when you add all these things, you will get the answer 56 centimeter. So the perimeter of this compound shape is 56 centimeter. Is it clear? This is how we will find the perimeter of the compound shapes. So now we can go to the textbook and we can deal with the student book exercises. Okay. So in the student book, unit 12, that is area and perimeter. First we are going to deal with perimeter. Okay. Then we can go in detail about the area. Okay. Area and perimeter we have already discussed in yesterday's video. Hope you have gone through that. See, that is just the review that we had discussed yesterday. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? It is 2 times length plus 2 times width. And what is the perimeter of a square? It is 4 times side. Why? Because all the sides are same. So before starting this, if you haven't watched last video, please go through that and watch that first. The area and perimeter introduction is given there. It is the thing which you have studied last year. But first you go through that and then you do this. Okay. Because here also the compound shape means it is the combination of maybe square, rectangle or some other shapes. So only if you know the area or perimeter of those shapes, you can do this. Okay. Is it clear? So first you watch yesterday's video, then you see today's video. So coming to the compound shape and 19. See, a compound shape is given here just like what we have explained. See, a compound shape and L-shaped figure is given here. This side is mentioned as A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. Okay. If you want, you can name like this, or if you want, you can just give names in these vertices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. It is up to you. Okay. Or else without that also you can do. Again, to find the perimeter of this shape, just have a look whether all the sides are given. A is okay, 25 meter, B is okay, 100 meter, C is unknown, it is not given to us. Then D is 30 meter, E is 20 meter, F is also unknown, we don't know this. So what's the first step? We need to find F and C. So look at this figure and tell me what will be C. Look, C means from here till here, is it? So from here till here means what? It is the combination of from here till here, that means up to here, then from here till here, is it? That is the length. That is how much is this? It is 25 meter plus 20 meter. Is it clear? Because this straight line means we are breaking the line. Here we are breaking at 25 meter and then 20 meters also. So we know C is equal to what? Look, C is equal to A plus E. Is it clear for you? A plus E. What is A plus E? That is 25 meter plus 20 meter. That is equal to 45 meter. Again, what about F? F means this. And what we know? What about B? B means from this side, the whole top, is it? From here till here, it is 100 meters. And we need to find F. So what do you think? From here till here also same 100 meter. And among that, how much is given? D. What about D? D is 30 meter. So full B is equal to 100. D is equal to 30. So what will be F? From the big, we need to subtract this, is it? So 100 minus 30 gives you F. So F is equal to B minus D. Is it clear for you? So it is given here, look. F is equal to B minus D, that is 100 minus meter minus 30 meter, that is equal to 70 meter. Now nothing is unknown to us. We know all the sides, is it? So it is easy for us to find the perimeter. The perimeter is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. Everything is given. Just substitute the values. That A is equal to 25, B is equal to 100, then 75, then 30, then 20, then 70. Okay. So total it is equal to how much? 290 meters. Okay. Let me have a look. That is equal to what is C? No, not 70. C is equal to 45. Because I cannot read it properly. It is 45, right? 25 plus 20 is equal to 45. So 25 plus 100 plus 45 plus 30 plus 20 plus 70. F is equal to 70. 100 minus 30. So all these together we add, then we will get the perimeter of the shape. Is it clear for you? Okay, hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please contact me over WhatsApp. Okay, I am available and anytime you can clear your doubts. So the building or that figure has a perimeter of 290 meter. Okay.